Everyone, please be seated. State you rested, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
All right, defense, call your witness.
Vince would like to call Tanya Monday.
All right, if you'll come up here, please. All right, there's a square microphone that's up there. If you'll put that somewhere on your, yes, and it's for the court reporter to hear. All right. Can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right, you can have a seat and lower your hand. Make sure you keep your voice up so that everyone can hear.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this witness has an attorney that is representing her. So if at any time she needs to confer with her attorney, the court will allow that. All right, if you'll state your name for the record.
Tanya Monday.
All right, and could you spell your first and last name for the court? All right, defense, you may proceed.
Miss Monday.
Hello.
I'm right into it. Do you know the defendant? Well, do you know him well?
Yes.
Okay. Have you ever seen a defendant with a weapon?
No.
So on the day in question, do you remember the time leading up to? Did the defendant ask you on the day in question for a ride to collect monies?
Yes.
What monies was he talking about that he was trying to collect?
Supposedly money owed to him for helping a lady pack a storage or something, move out.
Had he received instructions from this woman to collect monies on this day?
I don't know. I didn't know what was going on until I gave him a ride.
When you gave him a ride, these monies, where did y'all go?
To a plaza off of Days of Allah, a shop, an antique shop.
When you got to the antique shop, did the defendant go in by himself or did you go in with him?
He went in by himself.
And I take it you remained in the car?
Correct.
About what time was it?
The first time or the second time?
First time.
The first time it would have been that morning, somewhere around 9 o'clock, I believe. I'm not for sure. I just know it was that morning.
Could it have been 2 o'clock?
I don't think so. Before 2, I don't know. I just know it was twice that day.
Okay. When the defendant returned to your vehicle after leaving the shop, what was his disposition? What was his vibe? Like, what did he look like?
He came back out to the car. He said that he was upset.
His disposition being, was he angry? Was he frustrated? Was he upset? Like,
Frustrated that he hadn't got paid.
Frustrated that he had not got paid?
Correct.
Okay. Did he ask you to do something?
He asked me, could I go in and speak with the lady because he didn't want any confrontation and see what she wanted to do about paying him.
Did you?
Yes.
So at that point, did he stay in the car or did he, and you went in?
He stayed in the car. When
you went in to the shop what was your thinking of what your task was?
Just to go in and ask what was going on because I was I was the ride and I wasn't gonna be running back and forth to be taking somebody to get something because my gas and my time was valuable.
So upon entering the shop, did you contact Miss Janice Jones? She was the owner.
Yes, I asked, was Miss Janice Jones there? She said she was, and that's when we spoke to each other.
Can you tell us about that conversation that you had with her?
Yes.
Judge, I'm
Wait.
object to that. That's
Okay.
hearsay.
Sustained.
How many more people were in the shop when you went in there? That you saw?
It was the owner, Miss Jones, another lady, and then another older African American woman.
So there were 3 people there?
Correct?
Okay. When you recognized that it was Miss Jones that you were speaking to, what did you say to her?
I introduced myself and I said that James asked me to come in to see, like, when did you want to pay him? So that I can bring him back up here whenever you have time. And she said, if you can bring him back between 5 and 6.
Did you?
Yes,
So you got back at 6. Did Mr. Ross get out the car and go back in the same as the first time?
well, he got out the car and he approached 2 men that were standing outside by a moving truck, talked to them, walked in, and came back out.
When he came back out, was he running?
No, he walked out.
Did you see him throw anything, or
No,
did you see anyone coming after him?
no,
When he got back in the car, did y'all leave in a hasty manner, or
no, because I didn't crank my car because I asked him, did he get paid? Because he owed me gas money. And he said he was ready to go. And I said, are you gonna wait to get paid or what you gonna do? And then it was like about a minute or two, and then I finally cranked my car and drove off.
do you live in the same apartment complex as the defendant?
I do.
So, you know, when y'all left the shop, is that where y'all were going, like back to the apartment complex? Or?
Yes, I took him up to his apartment and I stayed on the other end in a different section.
On your way home, what did you see in manner of traffic?
On my way home from where? On my way home from where?
While we were leaving from the shop,
Oh, I saw police officers
where?
going the direction that I was coming from. I was going this way, they were going that way.
Did you see the defendant with a weapon at all this day?
No,
Did the defendant make any type of indication that he wanted to rob this woman?
no.
No further questions, Your Honor.
State.
Few questions, Judge. Hi, I wasn't able to pick up, what was your name again?
Tanya?
Tanya. Okay, may I call you Tanya?
Sure.
Okay. All right, so let me ask you, that day when you were giving James a ride,
Hmm.
did you see him with a weapon that day?
No, sir.
Did you see him with his black wallet that day?
I seen him with a black phone, and he has like another like little silver like fold up, like where you can't take people credit card numbers and stuff. A little thing like that.
Okay. Does it look like? May I approach the witness?
Yes.
Showing us some labels to exhibit number 1. Does it look somewhat like this, or is it different?
No, it looks like that.
It looks just like this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What was James's demeanor when he went inside?
When he went inside the first time, I mean, he was just going to, I guess, get paid. But when he came out, he seemed
I
frustrated.
don't know, like, did he seem like very did he seem upset when he went inside?
The first time,
No, the second time, right around 5 o'clock.
no. He just said he was like, he don't know why she hadn't paid him.
Okay. So at 5 o'clock, James went inside. He was cool?
Yeah,
Okay. When he came out, did he seem frustrated?
yeah.
He seemed was he breathing hard?
Mm, not really, just like mad.
Okay. Mm. How well do you know James?
We've known each other. It's been about a year.
Are y'all in any kind of relationship?
Mm, it's it's difficult. That's all I can say. It's difficult.
Okay. Would you consider James your boyfriend?
Yeah,
Okay. So y'all are in a relationship.
yeah. I just haven't been talking to him.
Okay. Mm. Would it surprise you to learn that James has not been referring to you as his girlfriend?
Yeah, definitely.
I imagine that. Mm. Would you do anything to help out James?
No.
How'd y'all meet?
We met, I have a business. I have a business that I run, and I was in the store purchasing something, and I met him there, and we just communicated for a while.
Okay. Did, did you talk to Miss Detective Royce about what happened this day?
Is that the detective down at the place where I had to, yes, I did.
Okay. What'd you tell him?
The same exact thing that I'm telling you today. Like,
Uh, uh,
what
th-
part?
uh, like the whole thing. Like, what'd you tell him?
I let him know that he came. Well, I had backed it up and let him know because he asked me what did I know, and I told him that probably on that Thursday or Friday, I wasn't for sure what day it was, that James was telling me, that he was working for somebody as far as helping them move, and that he had borrowed $20 from me because he hadn't got paid yet, and that we had discussed that he was saying that he wasn't going to go to work Saturday because he hadn't got paid, and he thought maybe the lady wasn't going to pay him, and he wasn't, he's just like, I'm not going to go back. I'm not going to even be bothered with it. And so I let him know that on that Sunday, James came and asked me to give him a ride because the lady was going to pay him. And I took him up there and I told him, what happened. James went in, came out, asked me, could I go and talk to her because he wasn't fully understanding what she was saying. I guess like their conversation didn't go as well. So I went in, I spoke to Miss Janice, whatever, I don't know her name, I don't know her. And I went in and I introduced myself and I stated to her, like, hey, I'm not confrontational. I'm just coming in because James didn't fully understand what you were trying to say to him as far as paying him. And I'm just trying to get some clarification so I don't be running back and forth. And it was some young lady that was there, stood like in front of me. And I was like, hey, like, can you back up? And the owner of the store, she told her, she was like, hey, can you just get out of her face? Why are you standing next to her? Why are you standing in front of her like that? And so she told me, she was like, well, this is between me and him and not you. And I said, I get that. I'm just asking because I don't want to be ripping and running. That time she said, bring him back between 5 and 6. And I said, okay, I'll let him know. And I walked out. And I told him when I took him back up there, he got out, he went and talked to the two men that was at the moving truck for a minute. He walked in, my window was down. I didn't hear any arguing or anything like that. And he went inside the building. He was in there for about 3 minutes, I say. He came out and he said, let's go. And I said, no, like if you didn't get paid, what are we leaving for? Do we need to wait or something? And he said, I'm ready to go. And I cranked my car and I left.
Okay, so you drove him over there. It sounds like you said you had your window down.
Yeah, my window was down in my car because it was pretty much the summer and I turned my car off.
It's hot, right?
Yeah.
You were parked right in front of the shop?
I was parked in front of the shop.
Okay.
Well, not directly in front. It was a truck and then it's like a parking lot and it was the truck right there and I was parked on the side of the truck.
Okay. So you had your window rolled down, right?
Mhm.
Okay, and you say you didn't hear anything. Okay. We have just a moment. I may have just a brief moment. Judge, if I may just approach technology to get
Yeah.
it. Thanks.
Whatever he's showing you, you may be able to see it from there or either from there.
Ms. Tanya, I'm gonna play for you what's labeled as state exhibit number 3. That's gonna be 911 call number 2. If you could just listen to it with me. Bless.
Thank you.
I would like to object to the playing of this tape.
On what grounds?
On grounds that it's irrelevant because she was outside and this tape was obviously played from the inside of the building, so there's no way possible that she could have heard me.
All right, objection is overruled.
Thank you, Judge.
Police, fire, EMS.
Did I work for her? Did I work hard for her? Yeah. Did I operate in good faith for her? Yeah. Why the fuck ain't you paying me my money? You told me gonna pay me at 4 o'clock when I got here yesterday. I'm not waiting till you get finished. Give me my money. So when how are you gonna pay me today? You ain't gonna get no pay today? Well, what's the problem? I did it to you. Let me see you get around my money. I'm not playing with you. You took my gentleman to weed. I've been a gentleman in time with you all the way through this process. I went hard for you. And this how you do me? Give me my fucking money. I know your story, gang. I know how you do it. Don't play with me, come on.
Do you recognize the voice on there? Whose voice is that?
Yes,
Whose voice is that?
James.
Did you know he was saying these things in there?
No,
I'm sorry. Could you see what's going on inside?
no. No,
You had your window rolled down?
yes,
You couldn't hear, but you couldn't hear that?
no, because if you see the parking lot where my car was parked, I wasn't directly in front of the building. The entrance of the building is here. There was a truck here, and I'm parked on the side, so no.
Tony, I ain't trying to mess you up, but I think you just testified before that you were parked right in front of the shop.
And I corrected myself and said, no, I was not directly in front of the shop. I was parked next to the side.
Just one sec. Why did you park to the side of the house or of the strip mall?
Because when I pulled in, I just pulled straight up and it was a big moving truck right there and two gentlemen out there. So I just parked right there. I didn't think that I had to park anywhere else.
Was that so that people couldn't see your vehicle?
No, my vehicle is red. It's noticeable.
Mm.
And the two gentlemen outside seen it.
So you didn't see or hear anything that was going on inside?
No, I didn't.
You didn't see James go into the shop?
I seen him walk that direction. He was, like I said, he came, he was standing there talking to two gentlemen. And then he walked towards that way and he has to go up a little thing to get in.
Can you describe the what James was wearing that day?
No, I don't even remember.
Okay. What were you wearing that day?
I don't know, probably a t-shirt and some tights like I have on today.
Was it red?
Pretty casual.
Was it a red shirt that you were wearing?
No,
Okay. So you didn't see James go inside?
like I seen him walk that way. Do you want me to say, did I see him walk through the front door?
Do you go by the name Pickles or Pebbles?
That's my nickname, it is.
Okay. Which one? Is it Pickles or Pebbles?
It's Pebbles.
Okay.
That's the name of my company as well.
Okay. Did you introduce yourself as Pebbles to the people at the shop?
No, I didn't. My name is Tanya.
Okay. So you didn't see or hear anything?
No, sir, I didn't.
You didn't hear James making these remarks to everybody in
No, sir, I didn't. Have you seen the outlay of the building?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so if I'm telling you that I was parked over here, there's no way I can hear what's going on inside of a closed building. I'm outside in my car.
So you didn't see or hear James pulling a firearm?
No, I didn't.
You didn't see or hear James point that firearm at multiple people?
How can I see something on the outside of a building?
Well, I'm just asking if you saw this or not.
And I'm constantly saying, no, sir.
Okay, that's fine. The silver wallet that James had, you know where it is?
No,
How long had he had it before that?
he's had it ever since I've known him.
Okay. Did he use it often?
He packs it around everywhere he goes with his cell phone. It has his cards and stuff in it, like his Cash App cards and stuff in it.
Did he have it that day?
Yeah,
Where does he put it when he doesn't have it?
I don't know. When he don't have it, it's either in his pants and his socks, depending on what he has on.
He puts it in his socks?
Yeah, like you just tuck it in your sock. Have you ever I've seen it in his sock, but I'm feeling like you're asking me questions as to where did he have it this, where did he have it that. I don't know. I didn't see it when he got out the car, but I knew he had it because he takes it everywhere he goes.
So
He had it when we left
Hold on,
the house.
Tanya, hold on. So you're saying that you knew he had it, but you didn't see it?
When he got out the car, I didn't see it, but I knew he had it because he had it when we left the house. When we were headed up there, he had it.
Okay. Where do you have it at? Did he have it in his back pocket?
No,
Where do you have it
he
at?
had it in his hands.
Yeah, in his hands.
He sure did.
Okay. Did he have it? Does he put his wallet in the front of his pants like this?
I don't know.
Okay. Well, you just said that you knew that he had it in his hand. Where else does he put it?
Asked him. I don't know. Like he can put it anywhere. I told you he either has it in his hands and I've seen him put it in his socks. I've seen him take it out his pocket, but I don't know where he had it when he got out the car.
Have you ever seen him put it in the front of his pants like this?
No.
Okay. Judge Popesta wins.
Defense, any questions?
Yeah, a couple more, Your Honor. I have the witness, Your Honor.
Yes.
And I want to demonstrate something with this.
I would ask what you're gonna demonstrate.
Okay, you know what? I won't. Do you remember before the defendant got out the car that day?
What part? The first time, second time? Like,
Second time,
I just,
while
yeah,
opening the door and exiting the vehicle.
Judge, I don't object to that. If I can't lead, he can't either.
yeah.
All right, what is your objection?
Leading, Judge.
All right, that objection to leading will be sustained.
Do you recall the defendant exiting the vehicle?
Yes,
Do you recall the defendant dropping his wallet in his phone?
Judge, I'm gonna object to that. That's leading.
Sustained.
When you went inside the shop the second time, or no,
I never went inside the shop the second
right,
time.
excuse me, I misspoke. When you went into the shop the first time, what was the demeanor of the woman that was standing in between you and Miss Jones?
Judge, I'm object to that as to relevance.
That'll be overruled.
What was the demeanor of the woman that was standing in between you and Miss Jones?
She was at a stance, like defense, like whatever it was. I just told her like, hey, I'm not here for confrontation. And the owner of the store told her like, move, get out of her face.
So you felt threatened by her presence.
Yes.
Okay. Can you describe this woman, her
Mm,
physical features?
I don't know. She's Hispanic or white. She just had like shoulder length hair. I really didn't even pay any attention.
Would you say her hair was blonde?
Judge, objection, that'll be leading.
Sustained.
Okay. You don't remember at all what color her hair was?
Like,
Judge, that's also leading.
I don't
That,
know.
excuse me. When an objection is raised, stop
Yes,
talking,
Yes, ma'am.
and then I'll make a ruling on the objection.
Okay.
And if you have a question over whether or not you're allowed to answer that, just let me know. All right, the objection to leading to that question will be overruled.
You may answer.
I mean, I don't know these people. Like they were all like just a blur to me. I just know that she had untamed hair. It was light colored. I mean, that's all I know. It was a mixture of light and dark. It wasn't blonde. It wasn't brown. It was a mixture of two colors.
Did she speak to you at all?
No, she just really stood in front of me.
Further questions now? Thank you, Ms. Moses.
State, any other questions?
One moment, Judge. Judge, no further questions from the state.
Is this witness excused or subject to recall?
Subject to recall, Your Honor.
All right. It's your witness.
Sorry, excuse me. Okay.
Do you have other questions?
No, I don't.
So is this witness excused?
He is.